Very good morning, all the students of third standard, and we are learning chapter number or unit number 3. In the unit number 3, important cities, we have studied. After the important cities, chapter number 13, or in the important cities, chapter number 13 is Delhi. Delhi is one of the most important capital city of our country. It is the 13th lesson on the page number 74. I will show lesson here. Okay. See, 1 minute. This is the 13 lessons in Delhi. Okay. Now you can see, zoom, stop, pause and see. So this is our lesson. Those who not have textbook, it is for them. Or it's okay, I will do like this. You can see this is so major important places from it. So Delhi, we are learning about the Delhi, chapter number 13, important cities. And important cities, Delhi is the one important city. So it is considered called as the capital of our country. Delhi is the capital city of India. Delhi is the national capital territory. It is a national capital territory of our country. The various places of interest, including the historical monuments of Delhi, is there. So, what are the historical monuments are there? Or Delhi, number of the places are there. Historical monuments are there. They are included in this region or area. They are the part of this region or the area. So, to them, they are included historical important places. So the first one here, Delhi lies in the northern India. First thing now, where it lies? First thing, Delhi, it lies in the northern India. Our city, Delhi, capital city of our country. It lies toward the northern India. Northern India. Earlier, it was a union territory. Earlier, or previous, before some years ago, it was a union territory, but now it is known as a national capital territory. But present time, if we see there, if you see, Delhi is also considered, or it is called as a national capital territory. It is called, or it is considered as a national capital territory. Previously, earlier, it was also known as a union territory, but now national capital territory it is. Delhi is located on the banks of the river Yamuna, and Delhi city, this important city, is located on the banks of the river Yamuna. Yamuna river is there; it flows from the near the from Delhi side. This city, Delhi city, it located on the bank of the river Yamuna. Yamuna, important rivers, it flows to the Delhi side, so it is located on its bank. Delhi shares its borders with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. So this city, this important capital city, it shares its border. Delhi city, it shares its border with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Haryana also and Uttar Pradesh also attach with Delhi. So Delhi share its border with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Like in these two states are there. Here is the map is also given, India's map and Delhi's map. Here we can see the railway track line, how they are connecting. They connecting to the. They are connecting to the Delhi is there. Rail museum, Humayun's tomb, lotus temples here, Yamuna River, Shadara, Delhi University, Red Forts, Jama Masjid, Firoz Shah Kotala ground there, Rajghat, Dolls Museum, Lakshmi Narayan temples, Connaught Place, Buddha Gardens, Mughal Gardens, Rashtrapati Bhavan is also here, Nehru Museums, India Gate, Golf Club, Parliament, Safdarjung Airport. So such important places are here. AIMS hospitals, Qutub Minar, Indira Gandhi International Airports. Like in different important places are here in Delhi. So Delhi is a historical city. If we see our Delhi, it is one of the most important and historical city from Indian point of view. From India sides, there it is one of the oldest capital of the world, and also it is considered as one of the most oldest capital of the world. Oldest capital it is that. This city is one of the most oldest capital. It was built by the Pandavas and was called as Indraprasth. So Delhi, information about the Delhi is, so this city, Delhi city was built by the Pandavas when Pandavas, Kaurav Pandavas were there, Arjuns. So this city was built by the Pandavas, and in earliest time, in ancient time, it was called as Indraprasth. So Delhi, another name is also Indraprasth. So in ancient time, during the time of Ramayana or the Mahabharata times, there Delhi was recognized as Indraprasth. It was built by the Pandavas. The Mughals who came thousands of years later called it when the Mughals came in our country before thousands years of years ago, or after the Pandavas, thousand years after the Pandavas, when the Mughals came, then they began to be called to Indraprasth as a Shahjahanabad. So Delhi was begun to be called with the different names. It is like in the city began to be called. So here many names were there for Delhi. It was the capital of all the rulers who ruled India in the past. And if we see the Indian point of view, Delhi was a capital city for all the rulers, those who ruled our country in the past. There, those were the ruler, those were the emperor dynasties, those who ruled India. For them, Delhi was capital city for them. So it was a old capital city, one who ruled our country in the past for them. Parts of the old walled city with the forts and the monuments can still be seen in the Delhi there. So what are the parts of the old cities were there? Walled city also we can call it, with the forts and the monuments. Still we can see such a forts and monuments here in present times. Okay, so today we'll stop here. Remaining we'll take after. Thank you very much. Bye bye.